This video provides initial suggestions for anyone without any quantitative background who wants to get into data analysis or data science. The main challenge is, where should I start? If your university program does not contain much training in quantitative methods, it will be hard to acquire the necessary skills. Sadly, most books are not suitable for self-study without substantial prior exposure to quantitative methods. However, I believe that there are good ways to get started, which I will outline in this video. First, it's important to understand the increase in demand, the availability of data, cheaper data storage, and enhanced data processing capabilities drive this long-term development. Compared to previous periods, there is less industry focus. Initially, data-driven decision-making was mainly concentrated in financial services. However, it is now everywhere, including retail, education, and entertainment, just to name a few. There's a promise that the use of machine learning and artificial intelligence will lead to better predictions, and this might also drive the demand for data-related activities. I would be a bit more skeptical due to issues related to training data, structural breaks, parameter stability, and so on. Most importantly, people do not understand the algorithms used. Some machine learning AI tools have very little to do with learning as imagined by the public. Please leave a comment below if you want to know more about these issues. Based on Google Trends, since 2004, data-related roles have increased substantially. So how to get into data analysis and maybe later data science? There are mostly three related disciplines in this particular context: statistics, mathematics, and computer science. Of course, it would be useful to know everything. I believe the best strategy, however, is to focus on data-related activities and not too much disciplines. So what should you be able to do? Data wrangling. That is cleaning data, merging data set, organizing data structures. So that's an important part of data analytics and data analysis. There is significant demand, and it tends to be a good way into the industry. Data engineering, it's another activity. This is focused more on building systems for data collection. Now, this is very different from data wrangling. Honestly, this would not be my initial choice without a strong quantitative background and certainly a strong understanding of computer science. After understanding data wrangling, so you're able to obtain your data, clean the data, get it ready for analysis, the next step is to go into data analysis. Now, this of course includes descriptive data analysis and various forms of multivariate analysis. I do not think it is a good idea to start with Python or R when analyzing data. I would opt for SPSS, eViews, or Stata. This allows you to get your hands on data quickly without any distraction by learning the fundamentals of programming. Of course, don't get me wrong, Python, SQL, and so on, they're all important, and of course I cover them quite extensively. But it's not ideal for a complete beginner without any quantitative background to jump straight into Python. It's much better to get your hands around data and data analysis using an easier software that can analyze data, which is all based on a graphical user interface. Moreover, I would not suggest going into simulations or machine learning AI related subjects. You need to have a solid understanding of data first. How can I be of use? There is a lot of material on my YouTube channel. I have dedicated playlists for total beginners covering data wrangling, data analysis, Stata, Python, and various topics in applied statistics and applied mathematics. If you want a beginner-friendly course, I suggest my Udemy course Getting Started with Stata. The link is down below in the description. Quite often I get some discount vouchers. I will announce them to the channel members. And I will also post them in the community tab. Please leave a comment below if you have any further comments and questions. Enjoy the joy of data analysis.